roam for recreation, new comfort to find still, but the comfort I would like the best, as you will understand, would be to gain that lovely maid, the flower of sweet strand. Her cheeks were like the roses red, her hair of lovely brown, and o'er her milk white shoulders in ringlets hanging down. She's one of the fairest creatures of the whole Malaysian clan. Sure, my heart is fairly captured by the flower of sweet strand. But since I cannot win you a love, no joy there is for me, I will seek forget